Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into ExpenseOwl, a super simple expense tracker built with a really nice UI. It's designed for home lab use, but the simplicity is appealing, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. The description emphasizes its speed and ease of use, which is a refreshing change from some of the more bloated expense trackers out there. It sounds like a minimalist's dream. What's the core functionality, though? I'm curious about the tech stack, too.
Right. So at its heart, ExpenseOwl is all about quick expense entry. You just pop in the amount, category, and optionally a name and date. It uses a JSON file for storage. Super straightforward. The tech stack is pretty lean. Go for the backend. Chart, JS, and plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end. No fancy databases or frameworks. Just pure efficiency.
I see. So it's basically a lightweight, self-contained system. That's clever. How does the visualization work? The README mentions pie charts and tables.
Yeah, the visualization is really intuitive. You get a monthly pie chart showing your spending breakdown by category. You can even click categories to temporarily remove them from the chart for a clearer view of the rest. Then there's a table view for a detailed chronological list of expenses, allowing for easy deletion. It's all very clean and mobile-friendly, too.
That's a nice touch, the interactive pie chart. Makes it easy to spot spending trends. What about installation? Does it require a lot of setup?
Nope, installation is a breeze. You can use Go Install, Docker, or build it from source. The Docker image is particularly convenient. It even supports persistent storage and lets you customize categories and currency via environment variables. It's really well thought out for different deployment scenarios.
That's impressive. The fact that it's available as a PWA is also a great addition, making it accessible across devices. But I noticed it mentions no authentication. Isn't that a security concern?
You're right to point that out. The lack of authentication is a significant limitation. It explicitly states it's intended for home lab use, implying a trusted environment. For a production setting, you definitely need to add authentication and potentially more robust security measures. It's a trade-off for simplicity, I guess.
Definitely. A trade-off between ease of use and security. It's a good example of how design choices impact different aspects of a project. So it has a CLI too, right? For more automated tasks?
Exactly. The CLI allows for both server and client-side operations. The client mode lets you add expenses via the command line, which could be handy for scripting or automation. And the REST API provides even more flexibility for integration with other tools.
That's a powerful feature for those who prefer command line interfaces or want to integrate it into their workflows. It seems like a very well-designed project, despite its simplicity. The developer clearly prioritized ease of use and a clean design.
Precisely. It's a testament to how much you can achieve with a focused approach and a well-chosen tech stack. The developer's clear intention to keep it simple and focused on core functionality shines through. It's a great example of a project that solves a specific need effectively. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into ExpenseOwl. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.